So we're looking at another question. Given the function p of c equals c squared plus c, complete the following. So the first thing we're going to do is evaluate p of -3. So wherever I have a c, I'm going to put in a -3. So I have -3 squared plus a -3. Well, -3 times -3 is 9. A positive and a negative is a negative. So it looks like p of -3 equals 6. Okay. Now let's look at solve p of c equals 2. Let's see if I can get this to come in here a little better. There we go. P of c equals 2. This time this whole thing equals 2. So that means my p of c will be 2. So it's going to be 2 equals c squared plus c. Now how do I solve a quadratic? I set it equal to 0. So 0 would equal c squared plus c minus 2. And if you can remember, there's different ways to solve a quadratic. I would try factoring. You could use a quadratic formula if you're not good at factoring. C times c would give me c squared. Then I'm going to have a negative and a positive because of this negative sign here. 2 and 1 are my only possibilities for a -2. And then I need a +1 if I add this. So if I multiply this, I get -2. If I add this, I get a +1. So I'd want my 2 positive and my 1 negative, because a -1c times a 2c would be 1c. So, and now that I had this factored, set each one equal to 0. So it looks like c equals 1 and c equals -2. And depending on if it wants it in set notation or just the two numbers separated by a comma. So -2 and 1 would be the solution for p of c equal to 2.